Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a web form in Zoho Desk Help Center. This is incredibly useful when you need direct support or have specific questions about your Zoho Desk setup, as it creates a structured ticket that gets routed to the right support team for faster resolution. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Desk and log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Need Help. This is your gateway to accessing various support options and submitting requests directly to the Zoho Help Center team. Click on the Need Help button and a side panel will slide into view from the right side of your screen. This panel displays different channels and resources designed to help you resolve problems, answer questions, and clear up any issues you might be experiencing with Zoho Desk. You'll see several options laid out, including knowledge base articles and FAQs. What you're looking for is located under a section titled Still Can't Find an Answer. Here, you'll spot the Submit a Ticket button. This option is specifically designed for situations where self-service resources haven't solved your problem and you need personalized assistance. Once you click Submit a Ticket, a new form will appear on your screen. This is the Submit Request form, and it's where you'll provide all the necessary details about your issue or question. Start by filling in the subject field. This should be a clear, concise summary of what you need help with. Something like unable to configure email notifications or question about custom fields setup. The subject helps the support team quickly understand the nature of your request. Next, move down to the description field. This is where you'll want to be as detailed as possible. Explain the issue thoroughly, including what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and any error messages you encountered. The more specific and detailed your description, the easier it will be for the support team to provide direct and accurate solutions without needing to ask follow-up questions. This ultimately speeds up the resolution process. After entering your description, you'll notice an option to attach files or images. This is particularly helpful if you're experiencing a visual issue or need to share screenshots of error messages or specific configurations. Click on the Attachment option and browse your device to select any relevant files. Adding these supporting documents can significantly help the support team understand your situation better. Once you've added all necessary details and attachments, scroll down to the bottom of the form. You'll see a caption verification that you need to complete. This is a standard security measure to prevent automated spam submissions. Solve the caption by following the instructions provided, whether it's selecting specific images or typing in characters. Finally, after completing the CAPTCHA, click the Submit button. This action sends your web form directly to the Zoho Help Center, where it will be reviewed and assigned to the appropriate support agent. You'll typically receive a confirmation that your ticket has been submitted, along with a ticket number you can use to track your request. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a support request through the Zoho Desk Help Center web form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.